I think the people of Wales have had enough of the Conservatives. That's why they rejected them massively during the last general election. How many MPs did you say you had? Oh no, let's forget that. But let's remember also about the fact that actually you are indistinguishable these days from Reform. Yes. That is the truth of it. Those two. Which party were you in before? I think you might find it was the Tory party. What does your manifesto look like? Oh, it looks like exactly like this. And do you know what they have in common? Do you know what they have in common? Cuts to public services. That's what you have in common. You have cuts to public services. Let's just think about what you're promising. You're promising deep cuts to public services. Scrap business rates, £300 million that'll cost. 300. Where's that coming from? Who's paying for that? It'll be the health service. It'll be the education service. You want to give farmers an extra £100 million on top of the £350 million they're already receiving. Where is that money coming from? It's cuts to public services.